What's up, dudes? It's Herbie from the Herb and Peach channel, and I just found this fascinating science video. I just wanted to show you guys because I could not believe it, but um, I don't know. I just thought it'd be something worth sharing. So I hope you're having a great day. Check this out. It's like the world is more like wet than it is like water. Look at this. So this allegedly is all of the Earth's water like sucked up into a sphere for perspective. A little droplet. That's wild, right? All fresh water, 272 kilometers. Does that mean diameter or radius, or freshwater lakes and rivers, 56 kilometers? That's crazy. So that's like it's like a statement, a visual statement, not of just like our misconception of the Earth. Now it's not like a water ball, but it's like a big rock. Like, first of all, it's like a commentary on just how gigantic the world is, right? We like to think it's so small because we can travel across it so fast. Internet gets us information across the world so quickly. The days only take 24 hours. All these kind of things that make us feel like the world is small, but the world's freaking gigantic in some ways too. And we're so tiny that the world is like, you can't even feel, like, if it was like a ball, you can't even feel the grooves on it because the highest points of it and the lowest point are not that different when it comes to the entire circumference or diameter of the whole sphere. And so it dips enough in depth, just enough to have it covered in like, it's like wet with like, just covered in like this water stuff. But the ocean to the ocean floor compared to us is so deep, right? Like we can't even get to the ocean floor to explore what's going on there in a lot of areas of the Earth. But with respect to the entire world, it's very shallow, where it's just kind of just like, there's like this film of water around the world that's that we view as like a deep ocean, but with respect to the world, it's like a film of like thinly glazed onto it, just water, and that's like the oceans. Evidenced by this, like, if that's actually the proportionality of it. And so you see all this ocean floor that to us is so deep, but relative to the entire Earth, it's very shallow. And so we have this really like bare looking Earth that just has like a sheen of water over it. And that water to us is like the ocean. So that just says, damn, it's like mind blowing. It's like, it kind of reminds me of just how small we are. Because that does make sense. I mean, this is a giant rock that's friggin' like flying around in outer space, dude. So it's not just a big like floaty piece of like jiggly water, but it's like a big rock that has like this thin cover of water. And so that, when put that way, it feels a lot more correct. But to see it visualized like this is kind of gnarly. It is just a big rock. A big rock with an icing of water. Thinner than a Pop-Tart icing. Crazy science videos. Let's look at these comments. Map of Earth if you're a fish or other ocean-dwelling creature. Almost looks like a country or continent in of itself. This is also trippy, dude. The internet fiber optic cables. I'm just like, there's actually fiber optic cables spanning the Pacific Ocean. Are you serious? I've suspected, but I didn't know that they actually did that. That's also just wild to have visualized. See, here's like someone who had the same reaction that I did. They can't be accurate. Earth is 70% water and the oceans are so deep. How can all that water not even equal a fraction of the size of Earth? Because to us, I mean, it's covered 70% in water, but the Earth itself is not composed of 70% water. It's not this big water ball. It's not like this big water balloon that's soaring across the Milky Way. It's just a rock that has like very thin layer of water onto it. The oceans are not deep considering the size of the planets. Yep. So this is what I was reading earlier as well. The same with the land areas. Mount Everest is almost nothing compared to the size of the Earth. If the Earth were reduced to the size of an orange and you ran your finger across it, you wouldn't even feel Mount Everest. See, that's what I'm saying. That's just wild to think about. Then the Earth isn't 70% water. Both things cannot be true. The Earth's surface is 70% water. Yes, that's what we're saying. So that was mind-blowing. Just wanted to share that with you guys and see what you guys think about it. Let me know what you think about it. Leave a like or share it with someone if you think they'd find it interesting, if that's what you want to do. At the end of the day, do what you want. Thank you for visiting. I hope you have a fantastic day. This is Herbie with the Herb and Peach channel. Have a great one. Peace.